The QIDI technology X-Max3 3D printer is a cutting-edge, high-speed, large-format printer designed for serious makers, engineers, educators, and professionals who demand speed, precision, and versatility. With a massive build volume of 325 bauds 325 is 315 meters 21.77, D is 21.77, W is 23.66, H, and a weight of 66.6 pounds, this powerhouse offers exceptional performance in both size and speed. Housed in a sleek black metal and ABS body, it comes fully assembled, auto-leveled, and ready to use straight out of the box, ideal for both beginners and professionals. Blazing fast performance equipped with Clipper firmware and a Core XY structure, the X-Max3 delivers printing speeds of up to 600 ms with 20,000 ms2 acceleration. These advanced features, combined with input shaping and pressure advance, enable ultra-fast and high-quality printing, even for intricate models or detailed prototypes. Industrial-grade stability. Engineered for long-term reliability, the printer features an ultra-stable all-metal frame, a 6mm thick aluminum heated bed, 10mm wide belts, and 10mm hardened hollow steel linear shafts. These high-end components ensure consistent performance, minimal maintenance, and smooth, accurate prints, even during extended runs. High-performance material compatibility. The X-Max3 supports a wide variety of advanced filaments, including PA12CF, PTCF, PAHTCF, ABS-GF, and more, ideal for engineering applications and functional parts. Its direct drive extruder also handles standard materials like PLA, ABS, ASA, PETG, TPU, while enabling experimentation with specialty filaments such as PC, PA, carbon fiber composites, and glass fiber blends. This makes it one of the most versatile 3D printers in its class. Precision meets power. The enclosed heated chamber, paired with dual cooling fans, helps manage temperature fluctuations for materials that demand precise thermal environments. Combined with smart firmware features, this setup guarantees sharp details, clean overhangs, and reliable first layers, whether you're working on small-scale parts, large prototypes, or artistic models. Open source and expandable, powered by open source Clipper firmware, the X-Max3 allows users to fully customize their workflow. It's compatible with QIDI Slicer software and supports remote control and custom expansions like camera monitoring and advanced automation, giving tech-savvy users more control and flexibility. Dual hot end system included are two hot end kits, one copper-plated nozzle for standard material use, and a hardened steel high-temp hot end as a spare, built to withstand abrasive filaments like carbon fiber. Hardened steel extruder gears further enhance durability, reducing the need for frequent replacements.